How's it going? Today I'm going to be unboxing another fire alarm to add to my collection of many fire alarms and then use on some system tests in the future. I am super excited for this alarm, so let's get into the unboxing. Here it is. Pull this out here. It looks like a packing slip. And then it looks like we have another little envelope that we have to now open. If I can get it out. Oh man, here it is. It is a Wheelock 46T-G6-24-WS. And as you can see, it is a Bell Strobe combo. This is a pretty cool device that I've always wanted in my collection. It is vintage. It's got a frosted strobe, which is pretty cool. So I guess now I'll have to take this device out to the garage, wire it up, and test it out to see how good it works. Alright, I do have it all wired up now, and while I was kind of looking at it, I saw a date code on it back to 1992, which means this alarm is about 31 years old. And that is definitely old for a fire alarm. And all I know about it is it was installed in a facility somewhere in Texas, and that's all I know about it. It's 31 years old and it was somewhere in Texas. But anyways, I'm happy to now have this in my collection, and for the first time ever, I'm going to go ahead and give this a test to see how good it works. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Well, the strobe works, and it sounds like this bell might need some tightening for it to actually work, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've gone ahead and tightened up the bell, so it should sound now. Let's test it out. It's actually not terribly loud, which I think that makes it actually kind of nice. It's interesting, if I lay it down, then the bell, the striker does not hit the bell as well, so it actually does get louder the more vertical I do have it, which could also probably be a factor in that. But anyways, the device does work great. I'm super happy to now have this in my collection. It's definitely a cool alarm, and I definitely look forward to using this in some upcoming system tests. Thank you all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.